I'm Tim Kelchner with your Catholic Health Update. A new program at a local high school will offer students a hands-on opportunity to prepare for a career in healthcare. The Catholic Health Center for Medicine and Research at Holy Trinity High School was recently blessed by Bishop Coyle. The lab provides students with state-of-the-art STEM equipment, including an anatomy table and VEX robotics.
This lab is going to produce some of the next generation's finest young women and men physicians and people entering the health field. So congratulations, and again, we're thrilled to partner.
Visitors at St. Francis Hospital and Heart Center will notice some new digs when they visit the Roslyn campus. Take a look at this beautiful new lobby. Employees recently gathered together for a blessing and sneak peek of the new space. It will be formally opened with a ribbon cutting later this spring and will also be the eventual home to the new eatery Root and Sprig. Some exciting things happening at St. Francis. Finally today, St. Catherine of Siena Hospital hosted a very special 65th wedding anniversary for two patients of Dr. Magdi Shadi. The St. Catherine Chief of Neurology performed back-to-back brain surgery on Leon and Marianne Esquivel following a car crash in 2020. The couple returned to St. Catherine to celebrate their anniversary and to say thank you to their care team.
You gave us the opportunity to have this special day today and to hopefully live many, many more years together. St. Catherine to us is the best hospital with the best staff, the best doctors that there is.
For more information on these stories and more, you can always visit our website at chsli.org. With your Catholic Health Update, I'm Tim Kelchner.